Hey everyone! Have you ever heard of the Bramble K Melomys? This tiny rodent, native to a small island in the Great Barrier Reef, is the first mammal to go extinct due to human-induced climate change. Rising sea levels and extreme weather events destroyed its habitat. By 2016, it was officially declared extinct. This extinction is a wake-up call. The same forces threaten countless species, including our own. Support policies that reduce carbon emissions and protect habitats. Let's dive deeper into the habitat this little rodent called home. Bramble Cay, a tiny island in the Torres Strait, was more than just a home for the Melomys. It was a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. Imagine a small piece of paradise surrounded by the turquoise waters of the Great Barrier Reef. The island's vegetation was lush and diverse, providing ample food and shelter for the Melomys. Native grasses, herbs and shrubs blanketed the landscape. These plants were crucial for stabilizing the soil and providing habitat for other creatures. Bramble Cay was also a sanctuary for various bird species. The island's isolation made it an ideal breeding ground for seabirds like the brown booby and the lesser frigate bird. These birds contributed to the island's ecosystem by bringing in nutrients from the ocean. The surrounding waters of the Great Barrier Reef were equally important. The reef's coral structures provided a barrier against strong waves and storms. The reef itself was a bustling underwater metropolis, home to countless marine species. The Bramble Cay Melomys thrived in this delicate balance. They were nocturnal creatures, venturing out at night to forage on the island's vegetation. Their burrows offered protection from daytime heat and predators. The Melomys played a crucial role in seed dispersal, helping to maintain the island's plant diversity. However, rising sea levels and extreme weather events began to disrupt this fragile ecosystem. Flooding eroded the soil, washing away plants and destabilizing the island's structure. The once protective coral reefs struggled to keep up with the changing conditions. The loss of the Bramble Cay Melomys is a stark reminder of how interconnected our ecosystems are. When one species disappears, it can have cascading effects on the entire habitat. The birds, plants and marine life that once coexisted with the Melomys now face their own challenges. As we reflect on the habitat of the Bramble Cay Melomys, let's remember the importance of preserving these delicate ecosystems. Each species, no matter how small, plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. By protecting their habitats, we're also safeguarding the future of countless other species. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this exploration of Bramble Cay's habitat enlightening, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Together, we can raise awareness and take action to protect our planet's precious ecosystems. After exploring the tragic extinction of this unique rodent and its vibrant habitat, let's delve into the impact of climate change on Bramble Cay. Rising sea levels and melting ice caps devastated the island. Storm surges eroded soil and washed away vegetation. Coral bleaching weakened the reefs, leaving the island exposed. Extreme weather events further disrupted the ecosystem. The Melomys struggled to survive in the rapidly changing environment. The extinction of the Bramble Cay Melomys is a call to action. By reducing our carbon footprint and supporting conservation, we can help preserve nature. Time to focus on the conservation efforts made to save the Bramble Cay Melomys. Researchers realized the Melomys was in grave danger due to climate change. Efforts began with surveys and monitoring the population. These steps were crucial in developing strategies to protect the Melomys. Creating artificial shelters was a primary strategy to protect the Melomys. Collecting genetic material and establishing captive breeding programs were also significant efforts. Relocation efforts were considered to transfer individuals to safer areas. Despite these efforts, the last confirmed sighting was in 2009 and the species was declared extinct in 2016. The extinction of the Bramble Cay Melomys is a sobering lesson for conservationists. It underscores the importance of early intervention and comprehensive strategies. Each of us can contribute by supporting conservation organizations and advocating for sustainable policies. Finally, let's explore the broader implications of the Melomys extinction for other species and ecosystems and discuss what actions can be taken to prevent similar outcomes in the future. The extinction of the Bramble Cay Melomys is not just a loss of a single species, it is a stark warning of the cascading effects that climate change can have on biodiversity. Similar to the Melomys, countless other species are facing the same threats: rising sea levels, habitat destruction, and extreme weather events. These challenges are interconnected and require a holistic approach to conservation. One of the key lessons from the Melomys extinction is the importance of early intervention. Conservationists emphasize the need to identify and address threats to species before they reach critical levels. This involves continuous monitoring of vulnerable populations, investing in habitat restoration, and implementing climate adaptation strategies to create resilient ecosystems. Another crucial aspect is fostering collaboration between governments, scientists, and local communities. Policies must be informed by scientific research and consider the needs of both wildlife and human communities. By working together, we can create effective conservation plans that balance ecological health with socio-economic development. Education and awareness also play a vital role in preventing future extinctions. By raising public awareness about the impacts of climate change and the importance of biodiversity, we can inspire collective action. Simple steps like reducing carbon footprints, supporting sustainable practices, and advocating for environmental policies can make a significant difference. The story of the Bramble K. Melomys reminds us that time is of the essence. While the loss of this unique rodent is a tragedy, it also serves as a call to action. We must learn from this experience and apply these lessons to protect other species at risk.